The Fork in the Road crew has been searching for who serves up the best spaghetti in the Wabash Valley. A quick update now. We already know that the first two contenders are Gerrie's in Clinton and Footer's Pizza in Terre Haute. So that leaves only one more spot to round out that top three. And the third stop goes to the Great Giorno on Lafayette Avenue. That's in the 12 Points area. The restaurant has been cooking up Italian cuisine for 3 years now. Chef Richard Simon says that the spaghetti is a customer favorite. He's excited to be nominated, and he hopes this nomination will encourage you at home to visit the restaurant.
We are top 3 in the Wabash Valley, right? And that's really, I'm humbled to hear about it. I've always known that we do have a good product here at Great Giorno.
The judges sat down to sample the pasta, and they immediately gave it 2 thumbs up. So now comes the tough task of picking the champion. You'll find out who earns the big crown tomorrow, right here on News 10 First at 5.